Welcome to the enchanted number forest, where numbers grow on trees and come to life with every step. As we journey through the forest together, we are going to look at reading and writing numbers. Let's explore together! When you are reading and writing numbers, there are some categories that numbers are placed in. You have the first 3 digits that are placed under units. The second 3 digits are placed under the thousand, and the next 3 digits at your level are placed under millions. So at a grade 4 to grade 6 level, which is your age group, that's how you call numbers. Now, a comma is normally placed to separate the different categories. This is where you will say whether this place value is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Then, you will go to this place value and say whether it's million, 10 million, 100 million. You will never hear 1,000, 1,000, or 1,000 million. Digits are separated by groups of 3, so you are moving from right to left, and every 3 digits, you will go 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. These are the categories. These are the names that you end with the exception of units. Let us look at it. How do we go about calling numbers? You call numbers by looking at the section first in millions and forgetting about the others. How would you call this number? It is 753 million. We end with the word million because that's the category. Some persons will say 753 million or 753 million. Both are correct. Let's move to the other category. How would you call this 3-digit number? 106 or 106, and you will end with the word thousand because it is in that category. The final category is 125. Let us call this very big number. It is 703,106,125. Excellent. Let us look at a few examples. Our first example is a 4-digit number. We will go 1, 2, 3, comma. We are going to separate them into their categories. We are going to hide the last 3 digits because we are not focusing on those just yet. We are only focusing on the 1 digit before the comma. Now, how would you call this number by itself? It's 2, and we have to end with 1,000 because this category is 1,000. And then finally, we have the 126 or 126. So together our answer is 2,126. The next example, we will go 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2. Again, this category with only 2 will be 1,000. We are now going to call these 2 numbers by themselves. It will be 86,000. Next, it's 951. Our answer is 86,951. Example number 3. We will go 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. We have a separation of 2 different 3 categories. The second category, as we know, is 1,000, and the third category is million. Let us begin. Remember, we are calling the numbers from the front. So, we have 9 by itself. That's 9 million. Then, there is 2 by itself. That's 2,000. And we have 160 or 160. So, our answer is 9,02,160. Let's look at our next example. Can you find the answer on your own? Excellent job. Let's look at it. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3. This section is 1,000. Let us call this 3-digit number. It is 402,000, then 300. The answer is 402,000. 300 or 402,300. Let us continue. We are going to look at it the other way. We are going to look at when you are given the words, and you have to write the numerals. When you are given the words, and you have to write the numerals, you have to pay attention to what you are writing and the categories that are being called. Let's look at it in an example. The example says 9,711. How do we write the numerals? There is 9,000, so I should know that I have to write 9 and a comma because this indicates that we are in the 1,000 category. Then there is 711 or 711. How do we write 711? 7, 1, 1. Well done! Next example, 304,201. How do we write 304? 3, 0, 4. The category is 1,000, so I have to write my comma. How do I write 201? 2, 0, 1. Well done! This is our answer. Well done, guys! Example 3. It is 11,060,043. So it's 11, comma. That's my million category. Then 60,000. I know I must have 3 digits, but I only have 60,000. There is no mention of 100. So what digit do we write to represent nothing? It is 0. We will write 0 and then 60. This is 60,000. When you don't hear a place value digit included, you have to place a 0 in the place of 100. Then we have 43. Again, there is no mention of 100, so we will write a 0 and then 43. All of the sections are supposed to be made up of how many digits? Yes, 3. Let's look at our final example. It is 2,179. Let's begin. 2 million. I will write 2, comma. 179. There is no mention of any thousand. So guess what I have to do? I still have to write digits to represent it. How many digits are in 1,000 category? There are 3 digits. Again, since there is no mention of any, I have to write zeros to represent the thousand section. So, 1, 2, 3 zeros. Next, 179. I will write the 1, 7, 9 to represent the last unit, which is 179. Well done, wise stars! As we leave the enchanted number forest, keep practicing to master the art of reading and writing numbers. Until we meet again, bye, wise stars!